How to make Venmo transactions private. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to make Venmo transaction private. So basically what you have to do is to make a Venmo transaction private. You just need to make sure to open up your Venmo application and to log in. So then once done, logged into your account, you just need to tap on the Me tab from the bottom right corner of your screen, and from this page you just need to tap the settings gear at the top right hand side corner, or if you cannot find it here, you could just click on the gear icon or the settings on this page, and you have to go ahead and look for the privacy section. So when you click on the privacy section, there you could find a lot of options. You just need to choose between public, friend, or private. So you just need to click on private, and you have to make your Venmo, or you've successfully made your Venmo transactions private. And you could also follow the on-screen prompt, complete all the initials, and that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.